Hey guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to repair the rust on your rear wheel arches, or also known as wheel wells. My specific truck is a Silverado, and what I'm going to be doing here is just buying templates to put over it because I don't believe in fixing the little rusted spots, just because the rust is a lot farther than what you'd ever imagine into the metal. So here's my Silverado. It's a 1989. It's lowered. Yours doesn't have to be lowered. You don't have to be into lowriders. Yeah, whatever. This is the template I bought on eBay. It's about, two of them are about $60. And what I did here is I cut out the arch part of it where it like kind of bends out so that the template would fit right over. So basically what I did here is we're going to just put up the template and line it up so it's perfectly, to where it would line up perfectly, if it was just perfectly the piece. I just said perfectly 3 times. But anyways, I use sheet metal screws, and that way I can, I'm directly just using this as a template. So then what we do is we take a grinder and we cut along the side of this template, and as you can see, that is where the perfect cutout will be of where the template is going to go. And if you have the right welder, you could actually just butt weld this in here, and it's that simple, and then it's a done deal. But like most people, I have just a cheap wire feed welder from Harbor Freight, things like $140. And yeah, basically I just use a cutting wheel, and I'm just going to cut across this whole template and make it so that the template directly fits inside the hole, like a puzzle almost. So with a wire feed, what I'm going to have to do is just cut out this hole where the template is, and you just take your time with a grinder and cut it out. Then what I'm going to do is put a little small strip of backer where the gap between the actual metal and the template go, because I need a place to hide the vertical welds that a wire feed puts off. So yeah, like I'm saying, you just want to make sure it's lined up and take your time cutting, because different grinders. What's a big deal here is how this lines up right here, because that you're going to see that, and you can only hide so much with body filler, and you don't want anything thicker than a 1/4 inch when it comes to body filler. So do not rely on body filler to fill any imperfections that are like really dramatic. Yeah, so, and what we're going to do with the sheet metal screws here is we're just going to weld the holes where the screws were. And you should use less than I did here. Maybe only use like 2 of them, because the more holes you have, the more you have to fill. So basically, here's standing back. I'm going to get to finish cutting here because it's not directly completely cut out. So yeah, this is my 89 Silverado, and I'm going to start cutting. And if you want more vids, check out my channel on this truck, because there's a huge series of vids. And make sure to subscribe, guys.